here, Pastor Sage Iyamu. The two of them will talk to you. But first, let me give the microphone to Comrade Oshokweki. Abu, I think Abu should very touch his people. Abu. APC! APC! Gonna show me there. APC! Either they call her Pastor Andrew Osage Israel Yamu. I hate to be the only person well prepared to become governor of Edo State. Because for every village, every community, you know somebody, you get somebody. As I tell you every day. That is why I call all of you and tell you now, say, you're going to vote for Pastor Israel Yamu. APC, this is what 11. The deciding word of Oma is local government. We don't vote two ways. We vote one way. Whatever we decide the party to vote for, and we have decided to vote for APC candidate. There's nothing like Obaseki has recently given more than 8 SSA singular word. He has visited here more than 3 times himself and beneficiary. But there's nothing they can do here. APC! Thank you. Make we give our another leader, make it talk to now. APC! APC!
Hey, come. Yes, bring that down.
I am happy
bring it down,
to come out today. After I was attacked for about 3 months. Well, is to tell you nothing you are losing. Nothing you are losing. This man is the Yamu. I know him before today. And so you will join me to vote for him at the voting time. That is all I have to say now. Otherwise, I have nothing to say. It's to tell you to vote for him. Thank you very much. More jobs in our schools. You know, this is going to speak for himself. Just like a motor boy who learn work with a master, he go not copy the way the master they drive the motor. But this motor boy, he pretend for 8 years say he learn work. When they go get a key for the motor now, he come they drive the motor enter bush. As in the first school, now so he dey bring violence. Even last night, I hear for Ihene they're going to move the podium where they're supposed to do the rally. The school where I built, he loved the school. He said do rally there. Not be build that one. He not build any school. The one where I built, it be like say, me where I get Peking. You know allow me send my Peking message. Who don't get? Now come the command my Peking. You can see that they have tried to bring every day now fight now with the here. But our hope is say we don't go quarrel because Bible tell us say they argue say who get Peking. The way we don't get that now the man get all the wisdom. Go say for you say. He said, since you two women they argue, say now get the Peking. Now only one woman can buy Peking, two women cannot buy one Peking. He will divide the Peking into two. So that one woman will take one, the other woman will take the second half. They're going to get half. You agree?
No.
Better the Peking will take one portion. He come out the second one. You agree? He said, no, give back for my partner. That's what more take a look at him. Say, who bought Peking not go green make the kill him. So this is a talk. Obaseki don't say he don't go. After he stay in my GO. Go is the right. GO. Now you won't create problem. To do campaign. We allow PDP to campaign in any one. We allow them to use stadium. Because although we are the but government school belong to both opposition and everybody. This one, he brings small sote and he build. He don't do anyone no. He thought they locked me outside the school. How that come back?
Bad man.
So if he get his way, for this place, no. I know the last that I did was to build the name after Inumoru Memorial. He don't build, but that is not the problem. Because when we campaign, Gani houses. So, and the Holy I know the meaning. It means God is great. Those already built, some of them are malfunctioning. Because they don't want to put diesel, they don't want to repair them. There is nothing you do. If you buy a car, you don't repair the car if you fail. So even to maintain the ones already done, he's not doing it. So why will you return a man like that? That is why they say many days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. 4 years for Obaseki. September 19 for the people of Edo State and the people of Warake, the people of Iheye, the people of you know it all over. So there is nothing personal. It is about the dream for a greater Edo State. As we speak, Obaseki has closed the College of Education. He closed his campus. of the College of Modu College of Physical Education, Afuzi. Everywhere is about culture. Apusari University, they do their school fees from their monthly subvention from 270 million a month I was giving them when I left office. You are reducing to 96 million a month. That is 1/10. That kind of person. It doesn't matter that the school is a Sekwana, but our children are there. The children of Edo State are there. When they cannot pay salary anymore, the school will close. And when the school closes, the children return to their parents. They cannot go to the farm, they cannot go to the school. And they say the idle man is a devil's workshop. So you have a governor who does not want the progress of anyone. But I believe this time I'm not going to promise for pastor. He has his agenda, which he crafted by himself, based on what he has seen. He lived in this state. He was born in this state. He has grown up in this state. And like somebody said, he knows people in every community. So on that basis, he has come out with what he calls simple agenda. He will simply explain it by himself. But I just want to say that I've seen some sponsor write-up. They say, not be somebody bring Obaseki. Well, I'm a human being. I brought him because he told me he will continue with what we were doing. Since he failed to continue, the guarantee that I provided before, I have withdrawn my guarantee. Not be so? If you guarantee somebody, make it go borrow money from your family union. You guarantee say he will pay. I mean, he will use the money well. If you don't use the money well, you not going to withdraw your guarantee? You can guarantee him again? No. So for me, there is nothing shameful about it. I thought he was a gentleman. Now I realize he's a con man. So the way we marketed him before, we have to expose the fact that he has betrayed Edo people. Everywhere he goes, he will tell the people, if you elect me, what I didn't do in 4 years, he will do. How could you have been governor for 4 years? No local government where Obaseki can say, I did a major project. Not one. Have you noticed that Obaseki has not once invited President Muhammadu Buhari to come and commission any project in Edo State in 4 years? 4 years. He cannot say, President Buhari, come and commission this road. Come and commission this school. Come and commission this water. So, what has he been doing? You don't reward a bad behavior. And the other one, who is a merchant of blood violence, the one that I used to call my Pikin, I have also disowned him. Because from the time he can mobilize people to be shooting, to be destroying property, to be abusing innocent women and men, I cannot have a child whose DNA is opposite to my own. So I beg you, like Abu said, and he said, I believe, if all of you live here now, this evening, you dissolve into your various houses and villages, and you tell them the message. Ask them, did you see anything new in 4 years? In water, in school, in education, in anything? If the answer is no, please, no fight. This man has to go. And we need a man of God to come and repair and keep the engine again. When the car breaks down, mechanic no be fix it, you go and bring an engineer. When he fix it, you go start. If at 6 p.m., at 6 a.m., you go be another destination. We lost 4 years, but we are not lost forever. A new day is coming. The night can be very dark, but when the light comes, it will disappear. So me, I have confidence Tomorrow is more than yesterday. So we don't go best too much. But we go take best, vote. You know when you vote with best, the way you go print the paper, but don't over print it so that it doesn't. I saw a sample now. You go just small ones in front of the broom, bam. Pastor don't come, bam. Obaseki don't go, boom. Gani Adwa, pastor don't come, boom. You see the way they do it? You go put that for center, no make them touch the line at all. So that the road go clear. Now express they go take the turn to government house. APC! Is there a for governor? Now, no woman! No woman! You will explain how he will empower the women. No youth!
No election.
No election. No youth! No youth! He will explain how he will reward the youth. No man! No military. No man! So he will explain how he will look after the men and the elderly. And they will be strong. Thank you very much. APC! 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 Warake oye! Warake women oye! Warake youth oye! Warake elders oye! We want to thank una well for this beautiful, wonderful crowd. Anybody will see the way una take gather, you know say na APC get Warake. I say na APC get Warake. Na law talk. They don't introduce me. They don't introduce my deputy. I also thank God for our leaders who come here we don't talk. But make I just talk small thing. And they look this school just now, opposite us. And I thank God say our people, God give them the sense to come to one here. Even when I look this school, and I go see Oshomole handwork. Yes. When I go see APC handwork, he removes zinc. He can't put aluminium. When I see the difference between the old and the new. But he paid me say 4 years after zinc, what they never do, they still put there. If I expect say the same good work wey Oshomole do, governor wey come after her, governor wey Oshomole guarantee, governor wey for not fit enter there if not because Oshomole do well. You go expect say when he come, he go say since Oshomole do that one, he do that one, he do this one, make I do the remaining. The man not be do one. He waste the 4 years. Somebody come tell me say when he wan come here, they come tell am say vote plenty for Warake. Last election they support you. You no go shame if you go there. Wetin you wan tell them say you do? Now I come tell them say okay abeg una look for one small thing wey I go fit quick do because I no get money to waste for project. He call am waste. Say no get money waste for project. Now they come tell am say yes, get one primary health care center. Come renovate am, come paint am. Make you talk say na you do. This one na job wey if local government do, you go see the verse with the council say so all the council money na this one na you do.
ashamed to see say na this one na state government do for Wadake. Now because of this one, now the one vote may continue. I say because of this one, now the one vote may continue. The man need to know say, he need to know say, Wadake people, God give them better head. You make mistake once, not mean say you go repeat the mistake. Even that mistake, now comrade una dey look for, nobody know the man before. Una assume say since this man start well, first way he go bring go do pass am. Our prayer be say make our children do pass us. But unfortunately, this one come be bad pikin. Pikin wey say everything wey papa do go destroy am. How to even destroy papa? Na e come dey. You know the Bible talk say, honor thy father and thy mother, that your days may be long. Who say mama no go sleep, he go sleep? So the truth be say, the man no do well. Every place where we don't go, for one east, for Edo State, we dey ask them simple question. This man wey say he wan continue so, wetin he do for una place? They say he not do anything. We go say okay, but he promise. He promise say he go give 200,000 job. He give una, they go say they no say. Now Wadake na place that no say farmers plenty. Who be farmer for you? I mean, I be farmer. Thank you. I not say plenty of the food. Wait, now abeg. Make I talk small. I know say plenty of the food wey we dey eat for this state na from here e dey come. E get one time the governor say he wan help farmers. Make una bring una name. Any of una submit una name to am? Any of una submit una name? He collect that name. He say he wan help una because he hear say our president Buhari, he tell Central Bank, he say he wan make dem help farmers. Make dem look for money give them so they go fit increase their farm make food plenty. So Central Bank wan dey give money to states to give farmers. Our governor Obaseki here, now he come collect una names. With all these names wey collect, he carry am go Central Bank say we get plenty farmers for our state. Come give us the money. Central Bank give am 5.6 billion naira. That money, they say make e share am to small farmers. So that with that money, they go increase the land wey dem dey farm. They go buy more seedlings. Everything they need to dey farm, they go buy am. They collect the money, they no gree give our farmers. I don go round the state. Farmers tell me say they collect the money. They hear say Central Bank give them the money, but they no give the farmers money. Governor, wey go cheat una, money wey they meant to give una, he carry am put for him pocket. Na that kind governor now I go vote for again. So the truth be say the man no do anything, and the man cannot continue. By the grace of God, simple agenda. Agenda na if una put us for government, wetin we go do? Because we no fit dey talk say we wan enter office, na no know wetin we go do. Now we come say e good make people know say if we enter, na all these things go happen. And I want just quickly talk am for a few minutes. Simple agenda. First, you go look the word X. Security and social welfare. If security no dey, development no go fit dey. Without security, even to go farm na problem now. Now we say there must be security in our state. And to have security, government must spend money. All these our boys, government must support them. Not be say that they work, government no dey help them. By the grace of God, when we enter, apart from giving money to police, our vigilante will go collect their names. Every month we go dey give them something. Then social welfare, pensioners, their pension na problem, their gratuity na problem. Why? Old age no be cost, na blessing. So under social welfare program, we go help people wey dey need. We will help the elderly. The next one na infrastructural development. Government must develop your place. You must build roads, when rain come. You must build hospitals. Not be this kind one. I ask Abu just now, say people even dey here. He tell me say even the nurses wey dey come, na him dey pay the allowance. If not be say him dey there dey pay allowance, they go don stop. Our schools, one principal, one teacher. That one na school. We go arrange lights. We go arrange hospital. We go arrange water. We go do good roads. Now all those ones we mean when we say infrastructural development. Then the aim na manpower development, woman power development. Helping our people to become great people. In fact, say you no fit go school, not mean say you go die poor. And my prayer for all of una here be say una go suppress una enemies. Those wey dey laugh at una, God go make them celebrate una. Poverty cannot be permanent in your life. So we want a government that can improve you. Government wey go teach you skill. Even if you say I no go school but I wan learn something. Whether na sewing o, na catering o, na mechanical, government go teach you. Government go give you money to start. That be manpower development. And by the grace of God, we go do am. The other one are public-private partnership. Government supposed to dey partner with our people to help them. Not be just to dey collect tax. Wetin government dey do for you? That agric money now, if they share am to small farmers, the prosperity wey for dey warake, no be small for big. Una for dey come here now with cars, no be take leg now, I take home. By the grace of God, una go find out say when we dey government, we go dey support businesses. Somebody tell me one story wey shock me. Governor do conference. He call am conference. Say one say I go take improve business for Edo. But the invitation card na Lagos where they do am. But not be even that one na pay me pass. Even though printers dey on one, dey Benin, dey Kobaka. Wetin pay me pass be say the food wey they serve for that conference, they give am to woman for Lagos. The woman cook the food for Lagos. He can't take microwave the woman for Benin for 3 days. 3 days of the conference now food wey they cook for Lagos. Now they bring to Benin and they serve to people. Some people can't get food poisoning. They go hospital because of that food. So no woman for Edo sabi cook. People for Edo, when you go help them, prosper them, you know, give them. But when it's time for vote, you say they can't vote for you. Are we fools? No. Are we fools? No. The L is leadership by example. We want a governor where they respect us. Not be governor where they insult us. Not be governor where they say I will crush you. Not be governor where they go say our children, they say they be miscreants. They be akberu, they be thief. Not be that kind of one. A governor that will respect women. And a governor where get human kindness. When you go see problem, you go want solve am. Not be governor where you go say, I'm not interested. I will not help. That is not the governor we want. By the grace of God, with a pastor and a malam in government. Finally, E in our employment and empowerment. As our youth many for here, you go find out say many they don't get job. That's why when about they say 200,000 job, everybody they happy. Because if you really do one, that means every local government will get at least 10,000 people where they give job. But for Warake here, how many youths supposed to be employed? How many youths you employ? Now, I want to assure you, we will create jobs. There are many things that we will do in agriculture, in solid minerals, in transportation, in education. For teachers, not they must employ teachers. Security, we will employ vigilante. By the time we finish, I want to assure you, many of them will get job. And then for our women, we want to empower our women. Now, my friends, now I get Lapo. Don't tell me, say, the secret of Lapo success is saying I do women. I say, why? He said, number one, when a do woman borrow money, you must pay back. He said, number two, if you give a do woman 10,000, in 6 months' time, you go make her 30,000. So, what do women just want? Now, support. Once you support them, they are not able to support their families. And by the grace of God, all of women will na full year, we will support you now. Because now they carry the state for una shoulder. Now they carry the men for una back. And we want to strengthen una, we want to empower una. So that good work una they do, una continue to do one. So what are the women make una ready? Who want work, this government will support her. All these things when we dey talk can only be possible if una also help us. After you live here, go to your street, go to your quarters, go to your village, talk to your family, talk to your friends. Make we not waste our vote. Make we do the right thing. And the right thing na to vote for APC. So before I go, I want to confirm. If una no say, make I see una 2 hands. Once una do that one, make una leave the rest to us. We thank una. God go bless una. I say God go bless una. All those people, wait. They make threats. You know why? They don't want make una come out. They talk say the day before election they go to shoot. They're gonna go to fear. Yesterday night. They go destroy the podium. Wait. Yesterday, they go destroy the podium. Make we not come there. But we thank God. Now listen. Just yesterday, podium what we do. We want use school, they don't agree. Okay, no problem. We go church, Catholic church. We think they go respect Catholic church. We go put podium for them. They go there for night, they go destroy. We not retaliate too. If they destroy my poster, we not retaliate. Because who God don't bless, God don't bless. Even after our rally now, we hear say they attack some people. But we will tell them, say, not be violence to make them win the election. And then those people cannot be intimidated. I want beg you now, make nobody fear. That day, by the grace of God, there will be adequate security. And I want to advise the youths when they use. When the Obaseki and Philip Shaibu they invade House of Assembly, they're supposed to stay for their own place. They say they don't agree. He carry talks, he go House of Assembly. He say he don't agree make the sit. Among the people he don't want to make sit. And one of una own son, una send go there. For the past 13 months, Owa East no get voice for House of Assembly. That means he not recognize Onwa East for Edo State. Governor wey not recognize Onwa East for House of Assembly. Now you want your vote? He go there. He say no go gree make the 70 people sit. And he carry young boys. Not be young children o. When they want to do terrible things, they don't carry their family members. He carry the children of the poor. Children where our mama born. But because they not get money, and government not really give them money, he go tell them say come carry gun. Make they follow me. He forget say all those children too na God children. Those children follow and go House of Assembly with gun. Now police arrest. The day Abuja 6, the day police. They not gree come out now say, oh, now we send them, we'll make una release them. Yesterday they carry the go court, 7 of them carry gun. So I want to appeal. Now they not remand them for police cell. I want to appeal. They could help us beg them because they not be strangers to us. They still be our children. And we pray to God, say we go fit make them change. Make them not allow those PDP leaders use them. I hear what the council chairman they do. Make he use Onwa East money to bring development. He dey put am for him pocket, he dey buy gun. For children of the poor, make them dey cause trouble. But God no go allow. I say God no go allow. So make una no worry. There will be security, no need for violence. Just go there and vote. After September 19th, story go change. Things go change. And for Edo State, we go see joy. We go see happiness. God go bless all of you. God go bless all of you.